Hi Heartland Heroes, it's Orla here. I just wanted to share with you a feature on nearpod where you can use this to help you with your sub plans. So once you've logged into nearpod and you're in your library, go ahead and click on sub plans. Create a new sub plan, give it a name. Then you're going to go ahead and add lessons, and you can use, of course, the lessons in your library. You can either type a search in, bring up a name, or just select the ones that are on your list here. Go ahead and add them. Then what it'll do is bring up a space for you to write a description and directions for the sub on what you want the kids to do with this particular lesson. Could be students and discuss. In secondary, they often use this feature because they have more than one class, but for us elementary people, we don't need that because each class needs its own code. We only have one class, so we only have one code. It'll do this for every video that you selected. So I think I picked 4. So it'll go through each one of them, give you an opportunity to write a description, and it'll generate a code. So this will show you then what you've put in there. Of course, you can edit that at any time. This is just a draft. Then you go to your subplan dashboard. You'll see it here. You can go ahead and click on Send Subplan. If you know your substitute and their contact information, you could choose to put this in here. However, it might be easier just to put your own information in and your own email address or a colleague or the office. Anyone that has the link can print the subplan for you. Don't forget to put your absence dates on here. More information for the sub to contact you if you want them to know your whereabouts. Classroom information, emergency procedures, you can type it directly in here or you can upload a file that you already have. And then once you've done all of that, you can save that. So the next time you do a subplan, all you'll have to do is edit the first part of the information and all that class information will be saved. And so then what it will do, of course, it'll send an email. This is what it will look like. Subplans, then you'll just click on view subplan, and you can, this is the part where you can print. This is the information for the sub that you can either email to them or have printed and leave out for them. Obviously we didn't fill in the class notes or the emergency procedures, but here's the information for the lessons. Any notes that you made would be on there. And the code that the sub will need in order to proceed with the lesson and have the kids do it what you want them to do. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Please don't forget to fill in the relicensure point survey. The link will be included in the email that this came with. Thanks for all that you do.